Launching Digital Products in 60 Days, a complete guide for aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome. Are you ready to transform your knowledge into a profitable digital business in just 60 days? I'm excited to share with you a complete roadmap that will take you from idea to income, even if you're starting with zero experience and minimal resources. Today, we're going to explore how you can create, launch, and sell digital products that generate passive income. Whether you're a creative professional, subject matter expert, or someone who simply has valuable knowledge to share, this guide will show you exactly how to turn that expertise into a thriving digital business. Let's dive in and discover your path to digital product success. Welcome to your complete roadmap. My name is Tim Hewitt, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs launch successful digital products. What makes this approach special is that you don't need a massive budget, technical expertise, or an existing audience to get started. This guide is designed for anyone who wants to create genuine value while building a sustainable income stream. We're going to walk through each step together, from identifying your perfect product idea to executing a launch that generates real results. The best part? Everything we'll cover can be accomplished using free or low-cost tools, and you'll have a complete system in place within just 2 months. Understanding digital products, your gateway to passive income. Let's start by understanding why digital products are such a powerful opportunity for entrepreneurs today. Unlike physical products, digital assets require no inventory, no shipping, and minimal upfront investment. Think about it. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it infinite times without any additional production costs. This means your earning potential is virtually unlimited, and you can reach customers anywhere in the world instantly. The benefits are compelling: minimal upfront investment, unlimited scaling potential, global market access, true passive income streams, and a low barrier to entry that lets you leverage your existing skills without formal qualifications. Popular digital product types include ebooks and guides where you share your expertise, online courses with video or text-based content, templates and designs for specific needs, software and apps that solve problems, membership content for ongoing value, and digital art or stock media for commercial use. Finding your perfect digital product idea. Assess, identify, and validate. Now let's find your perfect digital product idea. This process starts with honest self-assessment. What do people come to you for advice about? What tasks do you find easy that others struggle with? Your digital product should leverage these unique strengths. Consider your professional expertise in areas like marketing, finance, or technology. Think about your creative skills in design, writing, or photography. Reflect on your life experiences, perhaps health journeys or career transitions. Even your hobby mastery in cooking, fitness, or crafting can become valuable digital products. Next, identify market gaps and pain points. The most successful digital products solve specific pressing challenges. Research using free tools like Ubersuggest for keyword research. Explore Reddit threads and forum discussions. Read Amazon book reviews in your niche. Join Facebook groups and pay attention to the pain points and questions people share. Before investing significant time in creation, validate your idea. You don't need a large audience, just honest feedback from your target market. Create a simple landing page with an email sign-up. Post concept descriptions in relevant communities. Conduct informal interviews with potential customers. Even offer pre-sales at a discount to gauge real interest. Remember, the best digital product ideas exist at the intersection of your skills, market demand, and your personal passion. Creating your digital product with zero budget. Free tools for professional results. Here's where the magic happens: creating a professional digital product without spending a dime. With the right approach and free tools, you can create high-value assets that customers will gladly pay for. For ebooks and PDFs, use Google Docs to write and format your content, Canva to design professional covers and layouts, and Calibre to convert documents to various ebook formats. For online courses, Loom is perfect for recording screen tutorials and lessons. OBS Studio captures professional video content. Google Slides creates presentation materials, and YouTube can host your videos privately or unlisted. For templates and designs, Figma creates web and app designs, GIMP edits images and graphics, Canva designs social media templates, and Google Sheets builds functional spreadsheets. When creating with limited resources, focus on these best practices. Start with a detailed outline mapping your entire product structure. Focus on problem solving. Every section should directly address specific customer pain points. Create achievable milestones by breaking the project into small, daily tasks. Leverage templates as starting points to save time. Prioritize substance over style. Valuable content trumps fancy design for new creators. And seek feedback early by sharing drafts with trusted contacts. Remember, perfection is the enemy of completion. Focus on creating a minimum viable product that solves the core problem effectively. Building an audience from scratch in 60 days. 4 pillars of audience growth. Even with no existing following, you can build a targeted audience in just 2 months using strategic organic methods. The key is consistency and focusing on platforms where your ideal customers already gather. Your content creation strategy should produce valuable, shareable content that showcases your expertise. Create a content calendar with 3 to 5 weekly posts. Focus on educational content that teases your product's value. Repurpose content across platforms. Turn blog posts into carousel images. Use trending formats like Reels and TikToks for increased visibility. For community engagement, establish yourself as a helpful authority within existing communities. Join 5 to 10 relevant Facebook groups in your niche. Participate in subreddits related to your expertise. Answer questions on Quora to establish authority. Comment thoughtfully on popular Instagram accounts. Strategic partnerships let you leverage other creators' audiences through mutually beneficial collaborations. Offer free product access to micro-influencers for reviews. Arrange guest posting opportunities on established blogs. Participate in podcast interviews in your niche. Create joint content with complementary creators. Email list building develops a direct communication channel with interested prospects. Create a high-value lead magnet like a checklist, mini course, or template. Set up a free email service like MailChimp or MailerLite. Add sign-up opportunities across all content touchpoints. Send weekly value-packed newsletters to maintain engagement. Remember, audience building is about quality over quantity. A small, highly engaged audience of 100 people who perfectly match your target customer profile is far more valuable than 1,000 followers with no interest in your offers. Setting up your digital product storefront. Professional selling made simple. Creating a professional selling platform doesn't require technical skills or expensive website development. Modern digital product platforms handle everything from payment processing to product delivery. For all-in-one marketplaces, Gumroad offers simple setup with a 10% fee plus 30 cents per transaction. Etsy provides a built-in audience with a 6.5% transaction fee plus listing fees. Teachable specializes in courses with monthly fees starting at $0, though with higher transaction fees. ClickFunnels has a world-class all-in-one solution with funnel builder, e-com store, email, automation, and a CRM. System.io has an entry-level all-in-one system that you can use to get started. However, their free plan is extremely limited. For website builders with e-commerce, Card creates ultra-simple one-page sites for $19 per year for the Pro plan. MailChimp Website Builder is free with a basic MailChimp account. Shopify is full-featured but costs $29 per month. ClickFunnels is my personal choice, and you can never go wrong with this solution, though it has a slightly higher cost. Your sales page needs essential elements: a compelling headline that clearly states the main benefit, problem-solution framing that identifies the pain point and how your product solves it, specific benefits and bullet points highlighting tangible outcomes, social proof through testimonials or case studies, clear, transparent pricing, risk reversal with satisfaction guarantees, and strong calls to action with obvious purchase buttons. Create urgency with launch offer strategies. Early bird pricing with 30 to 50% discounts for first-week purchasers, limited bonuses with exclusive extras for launch customers, tiered pricing with basic and premium versions, payment plans for higher-priced products, and bundle offers combining complementary products. Your sales page should tell a story that makes the customer the hero and your product the essential tool that helps them succeed. Focus on transformation, not just features. Executing a successful launch marketing strategy. Three-phase launch system. With just 60 days to go from concept to sales, your marketing strategy must be laser-focused and executed flawlessly. Here's how to create maximum impact with minimal resources. In the pre-launch phase during weeks 6 through 8, build anticipation and collect early interest. Create a coming soon landing page with email sign-up. Share behind-the-scenes content of product creation. Publish problem-focused content that hints at your solution. Recruit 3 to 5 beta testers for testimonials and feedback. Build a 5 to 7 email pre-launch sequence to warm up subscribers. During launch week, week 8, generate excitement and urgency with a concentrated promotional push. Announce your product with dedicated posts across all platforms. Host a live stream or webinar demonstrating product value. Implement limited-time launch pricing or bonuses. Send daily emails highlighting different benefits and features. Share customer success stories from beta users. Conduct personal outreach to 20 to 30 ideal prospects. In the post-launch optimization phase, refine your approach based on initial results. Survey first customers for improvement suggestions. Analyze sales page metrics to identify conversion blockers. Create content addressing common objections. Implement an affiliate program for expanded reach. Plan a content calendar for sustained visibility. Develop upsells or complementary products. Use organic marketing tactics that work fast. SEO-optimized blog posts targeting specific keywords. Value-packed carousel posts with shareable educational content. Video tutorials showing problem-solving. Screenshots of testimonials. User-generated content. Case studies. Personalized direct messages. Network announcements. Community recommendations. Affiliate partnerships. Joint webinars, and podcast interviews. Turning your launch into sustainable passive income. Beyond the first sale. The real magic of digital products happens after your initial launch when you optimize your systems to generate ongoing income with minimal active work. Aim for an 85% automation rate by automating your sales and delivery process through email sequences, scheduling tools, and platform features. This frees your time for product improvement and new creation. A well-designed product ecosystem can achieve a 30% upsell conversion rate. Create natural next steps for customers after they use your initial product. Strategic affiliate partnerships can generate an additional 15% in revenue with minimal effort. Recruit satisfied customers as your first promoters. After your first launch, focus on these next steps. Create an automated email funnel that nurtures leads and makes offers. Develop complementary products to expand your ecosystem. Implement customer feedback to update your product. Optimize your sales process by testing different pricing, page layouts, and offers. Explore paid marketing by reinvesting initial profits. Build community by creating a space for customers to connect and share results. Here's your action plan. Today, brainstorm 3 to 5 potential digital product ideas based on your skills. This week, research and validate demand for your top concept. Week 2, create a detailed product outline and gather necessary resources. Weeks 3 through 5, develop your product while simultaneously building your audience. Week 6, set up your sales platform and create marketing materials. Week 7, launch pre-sales and finalize your product. Week 8, execute your full product launch and begin collecting feedback. Remember, your first digital product is just the beginning. Each launch teaches valuable lessons that make subsequent products more successful. The most important step is simply to start. Even an imperfect launch will provide experience that's impossible to gain any other way. Your journey to digital product success begins now. What will you create first? Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see the amazing digital products you'll bring to the world.